Last time on Sailing Doodles, the girls dove the wreck of the Coolidge. This time we visit a remote village and float a river and a cave. Follow along on our journeys, we sail from Canada all the way to Thailand. I used to be a corporate pilot until I had a stroke and my career was taken from me. So I sold everything I owned, bought a boat, and went sailing. And of course, I have to thank our patrons for making this possible. What are we going to do today, guys?
Exploring caves!
Caves. We are going to be spelunkers, I believe is the correct term.
Splunkers?
Spelunkers.
Explain that.
That's a cave explorer.
Oh, right. Oh, okay.
Let's go see it. We were anchored off the island of Espiritu Santo in Vanuatu, and one of the top-rated things to see there are the Millennium Caves. This is George. He's taking us to Millennium Cave today, doing some spelunking. Look at this thing, man. It's all... You got like a snorkel on this thing? This is legit. So George, you're from here, Espiritu Santo?
Yeah, I'm from here. I know the people well. Today we'll be driving up to the Millennium Cave, which is one of the famous attractions on the island. It's very interesting to see people around the world to come and see some sort of cave like this, how, you know, the nature provides.
Is it a big cave?
Very big cave where you can walk through, and it's dark, you need light to go through.
Oh, okay.
And with our local people that can guide you through the cave.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
We brought along some candy to give the local kids a treat.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Here you go. Yeah, here. Here you go. You're welcome.
There you go.
Where's your mommy?
Don't even think about it, Laura.
Hi, please. Yes, please.
No, you cannot have a cat. So we're following our other guy. We didn't catch his name. He's taking us to a different village where we pick up a different guide that takes us through the cave. Hopefully this isn't like an elaborate like headhunter scheme where people pay to like go get eaten.
No.
We made it to the second village and the girls decided to play some games to break the ice with the kids.
Okay. That's it. Down, baby, down by the roller coaster. Sweet, sweet baby, I'll never. Keep going.
And then I brought out the drone to show the kids. All the kids wanted to see, and it grew quite a crowd from the adults as well.
Yay!
So this is John, our guide today. He says it's an hour and 20-minute walk to the cave, give or take. And he's doing it barefoot. He's got some tough feet. Hello. John John would occasionally stop and show us some of the local flora. These are the original bungee cords used by the villager in Pentecost. John was just saying that there's 28 languages spoken just on this one island. And they're all fairly different, plus his dad can speak all those, plus French and Chinese, and what else? English, yeah. And I can barely say hello in Spanish. Hola.
Muy bien, Bobby. It's just got a whole lot muddier.
The trail was quite difficult, and where it was really steep, they built these step ladders. I ripped my pants. That's all right. Hey, easy access now. The things I do to get the shot.
My water bottle.
Very good.
As we approached the cave, it was time for the blessing ceremony.
Okay, so on the face it's birds and swallows. Here on the face, that's birds and swallows. And on the nose it's waterfall. Yeah. And here we're walking zigzag inside the cave.
Okay.
Yeah. And here is the rock. Yeah.
I'm a map.
And here is the river. And we're walking zigzag here.
Lightning.
And here is the rock.
Lightning.
Okay.
Zigzag.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Chunky.
Waterfall.
Pretty cool stuff. I think we're swimming in Vanuatu right now though. Once it gets up to that certain point, it's a little chilly.
This is definitely fat poo. It's supposed to be good for your skin, right? Oh! Going to be a don't fall in.
It's either good for your skin or it gives you a parasite or something.
Say what? Dave, it is so cold. Doesn't touch me. It's my water bottle.
Okay. Quite deep there. Okay.
Oh God! Give me your back. Whoa.
This has not been an easy trek. I can't believe our guide's doing this all barefoot, no shoes. You have to be barefoot your whole life to have feet tough enough to do this, I'm telling you. At this point, it was actually about a half-mile swim to get back to the trail. Once back at the village, they had some snacks for us.
This grapefruit is awesome. They give this to us after diving.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Great time, great time. Come see this place if you come to Vanuatu. It's a hike, but it's fun. Please leave us a comment down below if you think this is a hike you would like to do, and thank you for subscribing.